What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today, as you might know, is a very special day. Today is Giving Tuesday. And so in honor of Giving Tuesday, I'm going to talk about something that I'm really excited about that I get to be a part of, and I'm going to share it with you. I'm excited to announce that I got chosen to be a roller skating dance coach for a trip to Lebanon this upcoming May with an organization called Free Border Skate, teaching Syrian refugee children how to roller skate as a form of play therapy. Side note, if you hear Bowie snoring, I'm really sorry. It's my dog snoring. He's very loud. He's so loud. So what is Free Border Skate? Free Border Skate is an organization that was started and is led by females, and it's really centered on providing children and youth with an extreme sport to help them deal with their trauma and also help them to build self-confidence. And so we're going to Lebanon in May 2020 to create a skate camp kind of a thing for these Syrian refugee children to teach them how to roller skate. And then we'll also be training people who live there in Lebanon to continue the roller skating practice as long as possible after we are gone. Specifically, Free Border Skate is an organization that caters to youth and children in areas of civil unrest and extreme poverty. And so that's why we're going to help these refugee children, particularly through play therapy. So play therapy is a type of therapy where you help people to get through their trauma and to deal with their past experiences through physical activity. So us teaching roller skating to these children will help not only to release some of the stress that they're under, but also help them to deal with their trauma in a way where they don't just have to sit down and talk about it, but they're able to use their bodies to work through their issues, which is awesome. And I'm so excited to be a part of. I'm really excited to be a part of this because I've been waiting for so long to have an opportunity to use roller skating and to do something really positive and good with it. So the one thing that I do need is that I cannot do this alone. So I need to raise $2,000 to be able to go on this trip, and this covers not only my flight there, but it also covers giving a lot of money to the actual organization and that's going to stay there and continue giving back to the community. And also I'm going to be donating skates to this program. And so I am looking for your help. Even the smallest bit of money helps. Even if it is $5 or $20, or if you have a bunch of money, $50 or $100, I'm going to put a link down below and you can click on that. It'll take you right to my Just Giving page, and Just Giving is the most transparent, wonderful giving page specifically for nonprofit organizations. And so yes, I would love it if you would come along on this journey with me. I really appreciate any support that you're able to give me. I just want to be able to go and help these kids, and I want to be able to do things like this in my own community as well. So yeah, so this is the first step for me in really trying to make a difference and trying to do something good. And Giving Tuesday is the day that I kick it all off. So here we go. Come with me on this journey. Also, there is another opportunity if you live in London or in the surrounding areas of London. Moxie Week London is happening, I think, in May as well of this upcoming year. And it's a week of skate classes and clinics and talks, and all of the money from those ticket sales also goes to support Free Border Skate. If you're looking for a reason to give back or a way to give back during this holiday season, here's an opportunity for you. So that's my little thing. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I can't wait to take you along on this journey with me. I'll give you updates as they happen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. So until next time, later skaters. Let's interrupt him. Oh. Later, skaters.